my team is comprised of my partners at Baylor, which is Dr. Devraj's lab. She does a lot of the blood tests that we are discussing. But none of this would be possible without the clinical team. At the end of the day, when you're doing clinical research, your clinicians are your best partners. And so Dr. Matthew Katz, or Matt as we call him, Matt Katz, is probably one of the best surgical oncologists in the field. He operates on patients with pancreatic cancer at MD Anderson, and he and his partner Jason Fleming are wonderful colleagues. They really are in many cases the last court of appeal for patients who come here, and so obviously they are very important components of my team. And then in my lab, I have some very dedicated researchers and biospecimen coordinators, including Mark Hurd, who leads all of our biospecimen acquisition efforts, Kristen Ellis, who actually draws blood and consents patients, and Hector Alvarez, who is the scientific manager of our liquid biopsy program, where he is basically involved in coordinating all of the efforts that are going towards making blood-based tests for pancreatic cancer. Obviously, the diabetic population, which is funded by this grant, is one of our studies, but we're doing several such parallel efforts, each of which is geared towards eventually getting to a point where you have a blood test for pancreas cancer.